Welcome back! In this lesson we will create our first progress bar for the project.
Let's start with the learning goal, or whatever you're going to track with a single numerical input. This will serve as the best starting point for using native progress bars in Notion. Since I configured the schedule for adding new daily logs, a day passed and you can see a new record which was added automatically for today. And note that the timestamp in the title for the previous day shows yesterday. To begin with the learning goal, add a new column of the number type and give it a name that reflects the nature of your measurement. I will name my column Learning Minutes. For you it may be words written or something else. And let's add some random values to the existing records. Now it's time to open Edit Property menu for this new column to see how we can customize the way this column is displayed. There is a special section for customizing how number columns should be shown. This section is only available for columns which store numbers. If you open Edit Property menu for a date column, for instance, you will see a different bunch of settings. So let's review what is available here. First of all, Notion allows displaying a number as a currency. There is a wide list of currencies to choose from, and if you track how much money you spent, you could choose a currency to see the number as euro, for instance. If your column contains big numbers which are not currencies and you want to see them in a bit more readable way, try this number with comma option. There is also possibility to see numbers in your number column as a percent. We will take a closer look at this option later. I will get back to this plain number format and we can move on to the Show As section. Here you can set your number to be displayed as a bar or even a ring. Once you choose either bar or a ring, a new set of settings will expand. You can choose a color and set a point where your bar or ring is fully filled. This divide by parameter. And all the values above this point will be also displayed with fully filled bars or rings.
Now that we know where Notion progress bars are being configured, let's see some examples of using them beyond our class project.
There is a lot of use cases for this type of data visualization, like tracking your financial health and seeing your income trend, for visualizing project progress or time spent for project tasks, and of course tracking your daily routines. That's what we are working on here. So let's adjust the settings for our tracking goals. I will choose orange color for the learning time bar, and as I have a goal to spend at least 1 hour for learning from Monday till Saturday, I will put 60 as this divide by parameter, as I'm going to log data in minutes, not in hours. And you can see now how the bar is filled proportionally to the time I am put into the database. For the values above 60, there is a fully filled bar displayed.
Great, we have just created the first progress bar. And now you know how easy it is doable with native Notion capabilities. In the next lesson, we will add the first formula to the project, so I'm looking forward to seeing you there.